Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Boom Trainspots. I'm your host, Boom the Railway Cat, and today we're at Mortimer, on the line between Basingstoke and Reading. The date today is Monday the 6th of July 2020 at 10 to 3 in the afternoon. We'll be seeing some great Western Railway, hopefully some freight, and we should be seeing some from cross country. However, I've just filmed Bramley's video and there weren't any cross countries there. So we'll see if we get any. This is a very nice little village station. There's a GWR branded bench. That's something you don't get with SWR. And let's see what we'll get. Okay, so now let's do facts with Boom. Mortimer is a village in Berkshire, so we've now gone to Berkshire. Bramley was in Hampshire, we've switched counties. Mortimer is actually called Mortimer Common, but people just refer to it as Mortimer because it's shorter. The station was used by 189,000 people in 2018/19. And the station opened in 1848, which was the time the line was built, so this station is a bit older than Bramley, and it's got some nice like old-fashioned stuff on the station, and it's got the tiniest station car park I've ever seen. It's literally just that. A few spaces behind the kind of main building, and then that. So it's a very small station, but a fairly busy line. So yeah, that's basically it for facts with Boom. However, there's no service here in case you want to come here and like phone people. If that's something you'd be interested in doing, you can't because there's no service, at least for me anyway. And the platform has been re-tarmacked with a new chunky yellow line, looks relatively new, and I think that's basically all there is to do with Facts of Boom. However, there are those digital like dot matrix display things over there. The camera doesn't like them though. And yeah, that's basically it. There's apparently a fast train approaching platform 1. And it doesn't stop here. Oh my gosh, it's coming from up there! Oops. I was looking on the wrong platform, the wrong line. Oh man. Oh, there's now a man on a guy over the PA system saying that the next train platform 2, which now I know is that platform, is also not stopping here, so I'll keep recording and catch that. There's another one! That was good, 2 trains and 1 recording. Don't suppose we'll get many for a while now. Oh, that light's already on yellow, so might do. Cool. There's another fast train approaching this platform apparently, so I know which platform it is now, and I know which way it's going, so... Oh, do that horn? That's a nice 2-tone. Here it probably comes.
Fast train now approaching platform 1. Does not stop here. Stand back from the platform edge and hold on to pushchairs and wheelchairs.
And lampposts. Don't let your lamppost go. And that's not fast really, is it? That's just a freight, but okay, sure. I'll hold you, Mr. Lamppost. That was a lot of wind. Oh my gosh. They run these GWR services every half an hour. horrible noise it makes. Goodness me. Lovely view up that way though. Not sure if you heard that horn, but it did a nice one tone. And that's all from me today. Thank you very much for watching. We had a good amount of trains. We had, I think, was it two or three cross countries, and freight and some GWRs. So not bad for today. I'm gonna go back to Basingstoke now, and then go back to Winchfield. So thank you very much for watching, and remember to stay alert.
Psst, boom. Boom. Hi, Boom.